Keurig issue here. We drink a lot of coffee with loading coffee like this from the bag into one of these cups right here. So a lot of that coffee gets stuck inside, under here, inside the needle. See the needle up here? And that needle has a plastic gasket on there. Pull that off. See the gasket? Okay, so what I did was I tried to use the old paperclip method and sticking that inside here and shoving it in there and trying to clear it. That wasn't enough, so I decided I better get one of my old trusty duster buster cans out. And then I decided to just shoot one time up there, just like that, and let that force the coffee grinds out. And then put the gasket back on my needle like that. And let's put the water back in. Get this thing powered up. See if we can brew a cup of coffee here. It's getting warmed up. And mind you, this did not work hardly at all. But now I'm going to brew a medium cup. Oh, now it's ready, okay. Look at that, like it's brand new. Look at that stream. Doesn't get any better than that, baby.